my channel. If you guys are interested in the way that I got this look right here, then make sure that you continue to watch and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.
Okay, so at this point I am using the Makeup Revolution Onyx primer on my skin just to prep it and get it ready.
And I know that you wanna be my baby.
I am now using again Makeup Revolution, the brow pomade, to place on my eyebrows. I already did my right eyebrow, but unfortunately I cannot do this in frame, so I had to look away at the mirror. So now what you guys are seeing is me doing my left eyebrow. I am now going in with the Pro Conceal just to clean up the eyebrow areas. Just keep in mind, ladies, that eyebrows do not have to be twinsies. They can totally be siblings and it will be fine. So don't get too wrapped up in trying to make them perfect. You'll be just fine if they aren't. So now I am going in with the Morphe Concealer, and I'm kind of doing a color that is close to my skin tone for the top of the brow just to kind of clean it up a little bit. I don't really like the effect of it being too bright at the top, so that's why I kind of go in with a color that's close to my skin tone. If you like that, then you can definitely do it. Some people prefer not to clean off the top of the brows. It's a preference, so just do whatever works for you.
Following the wrong signs, my love.
Alright, so let's get started with this eyeshadow. I apologize in advance for my camera, but what you want to do is you want to start out with a light color and you want to do a build up. Unfortunately, because the palette I have is kind of split up and broken, it's a palette I got from 2014 from Sephora, but I did start out with a very light purple and just started doing a build up on it. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so as you can see, the color is coming in now. It's because we're doing a nice little build up on it. You want to kind of take it slow. Don't just rush in and pack a whole lot of color in your crease. It's not going to look right. So just take your time and just do a nice build up on it, okay? Okay, so at this point we are going in and we're adding another shade of purple that is darker than the purple that we previously put on. So each time that you go into your crease after you're done doing the build up to your liking, you want to add a darker shade, 1 or 2 shades darker than the shade that you previously put on. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so now we are going in with a deeper purple. It's gonna come out to kind of look black, but it's not. It's just a darker purple, and you kind of want to just blend that in until you get to your satisfaction. Again, this is however you like it.
So this is black. I'm just barely touching it with the black, just like barely, because I don't want to get away from the purple and then have it looking crazy. So yeah.
Now to achieve our cut crease, I will be using the Makeup Revolution cut crease to assist us with achieving that.
So I'm just putting some of this on my hand, you guys can see, and now I'm gonna do my crease. I was gonna do it the easy way, which is just putting it on your eye and then looking up, but I'm going to do it a different way that I saw somebody else do it, because I kind of want to keep as much color as I can. I can't do this on frame, so I will be doing it kind of like off to the side. I'm sorry. I'm trying, guys. Oh shit. So because I have like a crease in my eye, I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm actually just putting it a little bit above the crease. kind of like you to be able to see the cut. I don't like it to disappear, so. And it's just try to get the line as straight as possible. Then once you get the line wherever you want it to be, you just pull down, like just gentle taps. And a little bit of this definitely does go a long way, so yeah. But this is it so far. Okay, so now I have the cut crease done. Okay, I can see. But now I'm about to go in with the darker color that we started out with. I'm gonna go in with that and just kind of darken it up just a little bit on the outer corners, and then I'll start my colors on the inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with like this lighter pink to give me a pop in the front. So. Why did I call this pink? This is purple, I'm sorry. And I always go like on top of the previous color just so it kind of blends in perfectly.
Okay, so at this point we use the NYX, the gel liner, just to line my lids. Unfortunately, I cannot do that on camera or put the lashes on, so I had to do that off camera. I'm sorry, guys. I'm now applying my foundation, which is the Tarte Clay Mask, all over my skin, and we're just gonna blend that out. If you guys are looking for a good foundation, this one is pretty good. It's kind of expensive. It's like $49, but definitely worth it.
You act like you need reminding, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blinded. Should've never give you my heart on consignment. And I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with.
I'm now using the Morphe concealer as my highlight. I also use it to contour. I love their colors because my skin does have red tones in it, and they blend out perfectly. Besides, they're only $9. $9. That is a good steal, especially for the quality of this product. It's amazing.
On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no. All them times I played the fool for you, thinking we could put it back together. Thought we had forever, you never see my point of view. Our connection is so severed, you don't show no effort. I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him, though. Took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because.
I'm now going back to my favorite product, the Makeup Revolution. Cheap, cheap, cheap translucent powder, but it is perfecto for what you need it to be. Translucent powder, I believe, is $9 as well. For them to be so cheap, they are amazing. Makeup Revolution is the shiznai.
First day that we met, I flagged you down, I told you in my line. Used to promise me you never switch on me like Gemini. You think I'm a fool, ain't nobody stoked. I see all the signs, I see all the clues. Still sometimes I reminisce about that shit when I'm benching. Can't believe it's been a whole year, yeah, but
on some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch gon' get my hopes high, girl.
Drop top. Had a dream I was riding around the city in a drop top. Wristwatch. Had a dream I just got the new rollie on TikTok. Pour it up. Dom Perignon, drink it out the big cup. Yeah. Roll it up. Pass it all around cause it's all love. Real ones surrounding me. Good vibes is all I need. Yeah, I know they wanna see me low for reasons I won't know. But I got some real hitters with me, and they might shoot. I got some real things on my mind, they know it ain't you. No, I don't want no problems. I got dreams I ain't far from. But I got some real hitters with me, and they might shoot. Don't move, boss things. Young man out here